Hi everyone and welcome to Beat the Rush. Today we're baking apple cinnamon oatmeal cookies. So, step into my kitchen and let's start cooking. I will link the recipe in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. Let's start by deseeding and chopping one apple. You may peel it, but I usually don't. I'm using a Granny Smith apple because they're my favorite and that's what I have at hand. Let me know what's your favorite apple in the comments. Anyway, use any apple you like. A sweeter apple would probably work even better. Cream the butter with the brown sugar in a bowl. A handheld mixer would probably be better, but I decided to go with a whisk. And get a bit of an arm workout. After all, we're having some cookies later. Mix in 1 egg and the vanilla. Add the all-purpose flour, the rolled oats, the baking powder, and the cinnamon. And mix until combined. At this point, it would be easier to use a spatula, if you're not feeling too lazy to switch. Now, stir in the apple. Ideally, chop your apple into smaller pieces than mine. Heat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and line 2 baking sheets. Divide the dough into balls. Place them in the baking sheet and press down lightly. I use a regular spoon to scoop the dough. Bake for 10 minutes or until golden brown. Let the cookies cool for 5 minutes in the baking sheet and then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. And now your kitchen smells like cinnamon and you have delicious cookies that pass as an healthy snack. So, there won't be a lot of cookie guilt involved. I updated the About page on beattherush.net, so click the link in the description box below if you want to know more about me and why I cook. Let me show you some pretty flowers while I ask you to like, comment and subscribe so we can beat the rush together. And as always, thanks for watching and see you next time.